everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, one of my colleagues, Xavier. He has a home that just came offline and he's going to walk us through today.
So you got your paneling for your water heater, and then over here walks right into the dining room. Added a patio door option, lets in a lot of natural light coming into the home. And then here into the kitchen, added an island with the quartzite frost countertops, standard black appliances. And if you notice, they did the laminate backsplash around the back of the home, and they added a really nice big farm sink. Gets rid of that 2 basins, so it's all open. Went with the dishwasher as well with the standard black appliances. And one option I'm a really big fan of is these 42-inch cubbies. Just add in a lot of decoration, and it helps bring in that kitchen a little bit more too. Only in one half of the home, so can't get to the good parts, but over here, so normally is a 4-bedroom, but they went with the family room option. Helps open it up really nice and big. He is a really big drummer, so he wanted to have enough space for all of his equipment, his sound system, and his drums. Added an extra window over here just to bring in some more natural light. And then they also went with the perimeter heat, which is one option we strongly recommend here. Helps get away from the center of the room, so if you wanted to do bigger couches or beds or anything in any room, just helps make it a lot easier for that. Got 2 spare bedrooms and the doors for them. They'll be finished and trimmed out once it gets on site.
How about this bath? Is this the master or the second bath?
This is a secondary bath. They got the sink, went with the standard toilet and the standard bathtub. You can always add an extra linen cabinet right here to kind of close up this gap. A framed mirror as well if you wanted, or an LED mirror just to help kind of spice it up a little bit.
Ooh, I love it. This is the Lovette, guys. This is our sale home for the month, but could be a 3, 4, or 5-bedroom home. We've got a whole team of professionals here helping and excited to help you build your new home. So give us a call, 260-383-1009. This is Xavier. I'm Kristina. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, Champion Homes. Come take a visit. Thanks for watching.